I'm Paranjay Singh from Ahmedabad. I completed my 12th standard from Delhi Public School, Gopal, Ahmedabad, as a commerce with math student. I secured my admission in Symbiosis for BSc Economics as well as Christ for BBA. Right now, I finalized for NMIMS Mumbai and I secured admission in all the three streams, that is BBA, BSc Economics, and BSc Finance. But I would be choosing BSc Finance for my final option. And I'm yet awaiting the results for IIM Indore, like because the exam is still yet to happen. So when I joined Endeavor, I was not really sure about what I want to pursue. So I was not even sure about my college. But my major reason for joining Endeavor was to help me get a good grip on the aptitude skills which Endeavor is known for. So along that time, I got the counseling, and then I aspired to join NMIMS Mumbai. So Endeavor has helped me big time for cracking the entrance exams with its regular classes. We always had a link with studies. With the strict regime, we had to be serious in our preparation, and with their constant support, we were duly motivated. We had an amazing mentor as well as an amazing faculty. They were available anytime we needed them via WhatsApp as well as in the normal sessions in the live classes. Be it any small doubt in a sum or some hindrance in filling up forms as well as making the big decisions such as the colleges, they were always there for us. Sir never stopped pushing us and they always kept us motivated. The phase-wise preparation was a wonderful thing, as we started off with the basics in all subjects and had to write tests of the same upon completing those basic topics. Once we were done with the course, we had not anticipated about the essentials and reinforcements, but those were of much help for us, as we were always kept on having more and more of tests and things that helped us get a good grip on all the subjects. The parent teachers meeting helped the parents as well as the students have a good interaction with the faculty members, as well as having a clear idea about the colleges for which we are opting. And they also helped the parents to follow up about the happenings which were happening at Endeavor. To be honest, my favorite part at Endeavor has been the test series itself. Nothing more helpful was there than these test series. The tests were very similar to the actual tests. They helped us get a better idea about the actual papers and a good grip on the sums, as well as time management, as well as perfecting the attempting style of the papers. And we had a lot of these tests, so we were always occupied with these tests, and they were really great and helpful. To be honest, the efforts put in by the faculty members at Endeavor during the pandemic were really commendable. I did not feel any sort of hindrance in my preparation, as we had constant classes as well as loads of tests to solve. There was always material coming in and coming in. There was no stoppage in the materials. There were special groups on Telegram for us to get a doubt solved, no matter how small or silly they might be, as well as the faculty members were always available for the doubts. And Endeavor also had a really great thing done, that they had made us fill up a form for any person who had not get the books delivered. They would deliver the books at their home. Three major things to be done by the juniors would be just listen to the teachers and do all the works given by the teachers, stay attentive in the classes, and do the test series religiously, and that will get you through. You don't need anything else. That's more than enough for the colleges. So we ourselves, being a batch, being struck by the pandemic, I think so the limited time we had in the classes was the most memorable for me, because there's nothing like in class teaching. Endeavor had helped me a big time in developing the aptitude skills, as well as our class mentors and the faculty members had helped us learn many new formulas and tricks to get the sum solved very easily. And one thing that helped us during the entrance exams was to use the paper the least. So all we had to do was solve the sum as much as we could do it mentally, and that helped a lot.